Hey traders, welcome to episode 459 of the show. Could be doing anything. Whoops, sorry, I'm on one chain. My bad. Gross. Alright, here we go. Bitcoin Connect. Impulse up, upsloping, consolidation with your bullish cipher hitting its first target. You can see the teal harmonic with the teal lines. Those are bars that indicate targets from the entry of this trade setup, which is the 382, 5127, and now today we've hit and we've really not been able to get any prices higher than 5266. I mean, this really, is great news, and we're really showing some strength, trying to bullishly engulf in this 4-hour candle, holding on to that positive momentum. And our 88.6% retrace, that is the third target of this cipher, which would be incredible because if we could get there, wow, you have a textbook perfectly well developing bearish bat. Okay, XAB, you retrace 50% of the way, you sold off almost 88.6% of the way, perfect. And here you go, an 88.6% retrace up here, which would be 5420. 5420.
Is that a joint?
Why is the Kappa here? Hey, the Kappa, this thing right here helped us out. Figured out that there was a problem with Tidy Labs, had to be fixed. Thanks. That's the nicest Kappa ever, dude. Montana man.
Is that a joint?
I know you will look at it, but XRP next stop your third target.
Okay, yeah, we'll look at it before Ethereum. What? Oh, dude, Montana, you know the Ethereum army, it's huge, dude. It's full of like 3 people. Vitalik is one of them, but we know he's not very much of a fighter, is he? Montana, please clap. Okay, so yeah, dude, thanks for the 420, dude. We were Kangs, we became Kangs. We held true, did we not? Through the night. Beautiful, man. All right, yeah, we'll look at it next. So the third target for Bitcoin, 5420. It would be so cool if in a 3-day period we could get there, and on 420, April 20th, is that a joint? We could be hitting 5420 and could be potentially, hopefully at these areas, we would show bearish divergence. A bearish divergence would be great for us because then it's like, hey man, we start to get coinciding variables at a perfect potential entry for this short on the bearish bat. How cool would that be, man? So you can't get mad at me for thinking that's cool. We think it's cool on both sides. Okay, coinciding variables for a short or a long, it doesn't matter to us. It's awesome. Very cool. All right, so Bitcoin Connect 5420. All right, let's just we can come back to Bitcoin and look at the daily or something. Let's just go to XRP. Why not? Talk of the town. So awesome, man. Did a static video today on this. Why not? I mean, why the heck not, man? Exceeding the 382 now. Finally, all day since you touched it, you are now breaking it again. Third time. So confirmation, waiver confirmation. Look at that beautiful positive momentum, that bullish convergence. Very hot on the RSI on the 4-hour, 67, so a little bit more room to run, but at 67 it would be probably pretty hard to break to the 618 in one fell swoop, one fell impulse, whatever you want to call it. Excuse me, burping, drinking Irwin tea. Jules Mando!
Jules_Santana tip $24.24. Can we do ETH first? Lol.
Dude.
Hashtag troll.
Troll Connect.
Please clap.
Jules, dude, thanks for going Super Saiyan God on me right there. The 2424 in the Zcash in the jar, dude. Fantastic. Much appreciated. Hey, 2424. The numbers of the 420 is in there. So we could always do, is that a joint? You let me know, man. Thanks a lot for that. Appreciate it. So Montana, man, what's the second target? It's 35.720 cents, man, to be specific. Well, Ray, man, how'd you get that target, dude? Well, we go from the height The highest high of the harmonic to the lowest low, from C to D.
Not forgetting where you came from is important in determining where you would end up. The Lord bless all on this stream. Thank you much for your dedication to your craft and willingness to share with us daily. Much love.
Dude, Scour, man, thanks for the wholesome contribution, dude. Really appreciate that. That's very kind of you to say. Yeah, don't forget where you came from. It's hard, though. It's hard, though, man. You know where I'm from, dude. Rabarman!
After you look at BTC, ETH, XRP, and a few other scrums, can you look at BAT/BTC?
Yeah, we can look at BatConnect, which is running. And why are we running? Because we were saved by the last fib of our fibby chin chin, or whatever you would, some stupid wording, okay? That's what we did on BAT. We held the last final support and then exploded up and got above all those areas that we fell below that were supposed to be supports. We're above, man. And that's great news. And we've been talking about, if you hold above all that critical old overhead resistance and use it as critical underhead support, very good things could happen. And BAT is testament to that. I mean, that's what happens when you break out, dude. When you break out, good things can come. All right. Montana, I hope that answered your question. Let me know if that's a joint. All right. Yeah, 35.720. There's no way we can really make that into a joint, dude. Any more luck at the... No fib nodes really looking like... Is that a joint? Sorry, dude. Okay. Go to Ethereum. I think broadening bottom pattern, but not really sure. Robar, thanks again, dude. Thanks, Gower, dude. Thanks, Montana, dude. Thank you all for the train of contributions. Very, very humbling. I'm very grateful. Thanks. Oh, okay. I thought Todd Mullis said, "Will you look at BAT now?" It's like, what the... Here we go. Hitting the top trend line on Ethereum. Holy crap. What an explosion to the upside. Dang, dude. But for now, though you are wicking above it, you are not closing above it. I'll take a look at BAT right after this, Todd. Okay, man? Good Lord. What is Ethereum doing, man? Saying, see ya, we don't even care. All right, time to fib a little bit. Fibonacci. Let's go high to low here. All right, we've exceeded the 50% retrace. If we hold above this trend line, then we're probably going to 176.02. That's the golden retrace. From your high to low. Dang, man. Hey, we literally said in the day stream, I don't know, man. The way the bulls have control of this market right now, they temporarily do. And I'm not saying they're going to hold on to it for forever or for too much longer. They could. But I'm saying we hit the first target of the rising wedge and the crab pattern. We got to the second. Almost got to the second target. We were off by like $3. We hit that 50% retrace. Bullish Harambe. And we were off. And now we're bullishly engulfing very well right now, and nice positive momentum building. Starting to get convergence. 67 on the RSI, just like XRP. It's probably testament to Bitcoin running up a little bit. Go figure. Bitcoin's also bullishly engulfing. So we said it could be over if the bulls really do control this market, because the same thing on Bitcoin. The example I used was after we had broken out of that downsloping structure. We've been plotting and charting for months. We double bottomed off of it with that bullish divergence, and that was that right leg of that bearish cipher pattern. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Remember, we were like $5 within the range of the entry, and then we dumped and hit the 382 and then hit the 50% retrace, just like Ethereum did. And we never saw those prices again. We rallied, pivoted off of that, and we were gone. And in the next, like, I don't know, like couple weeks or whatever, it was over. We exploded up. We broke the wall. We were White Walkers. Night Kangs. Okay. Beautiful, man. Great stuff on Ethereum. Pivoting. Man. You don't win them all, dude, but hey, we won some.
XLM 10 minutes chart Kangs. Okay, when you look, maybe not Kangs.
Is that a joint?
Wait, well, I'll look and maybe not look, dude. Yeah, right. I'm gonna definitely look at it. I'm sorry. Yeah, we'll look at XLM on the 10 minute. And I'm putting 10 minute as a notation right here. Okay, we did it, man. XLM on the 10 minute after BAT connect. All right. Ethereum looking very strong now. Looking good. Not good for short. Hey, whoever was long on this today, from I think 50%, good for you, dude. Great stuff. Look, man, there was bullish divergence. There was bullish divergence, and that was the cause of a break to the upside. That was talked about, but we did maybe think that, hey, hopefully we could get a little bit lower, but we didn't. $3 lower, but we didn't. It's okay. That happens. Anyway, very cool, man. Basic attention connect coin. All right. Okay. Dang, man. I gotta go to the daily on this. Okay, dude, so crazy. All right. So it's so insane. Like, we had it. We were in the channel. It was a perfect setup. We hit one target and then never saw that again until we sold off. And this is where we went, man. It was like Hail Mary for BAT. It was literally a Hail Mary, dude. It's like your last line of defense. You're like, you're getting pushed in. You're getting wrecked. The orcs are coming. But they didn't tell you. On the 5th day, Gandalf will be here. And it's right here. Gandalf support. November 7th, 5187. That's it, dude. You had broken. All of the defenses of the castle had been broken. Until right here. And then we lifted off. It was a beautiful bullish engulfing candle. And you stayed. Look, man, you were within the parameters of your daily equilibrium zone between the 50-day and 20-day moving average. As long as you're staying above that 50, you're healthy, you're okay. So you bounce off the 20. That's what price action does. You bounce off the 20 for an extended amount of time. Then eventually you get weak, you get tired of divergence, whatever, and then you sell off and you bounce and you test the 50 as support. And then eventually you rally again, not falling below it. That's what trends look like. That's why I like moving averages, because of that, the equilibrium zone. So channel, hey man, be danged, fell out and pumping right back in. All right, that's great. Great news on BAT. Where are we right now at 6680? At a critical resistance. We are at a critical resistance and we're wicking off of it. What resistance is that? Well, it's your former all-time highs back from January 8th, 2018, 6,666. Let's get an exorcism going in here. Spirit of the Jesus compels you, BAT. Break these chains so we can make all-time highs again. Well, we made all-time highs, but you get it, man. All right. We're breaching it. So, yeah, I mean, like, profit taking, one could, yeah. If you had it's really about trading plan, dude. Like, if you're in a position and you're asking me if you should take profit or not, that's signifying to me that you didn't have a trading plan. That's very scary because you keep doing that. You're going to lose a lot of money, man. Remember the trading plan? Hey, if you don't know what a trading plan is, you don't have one, go watch the video on my freaking landing page. It's 15 minutes. Get over it. Watch it. Get a coffee. Okay? It'll change your perspective on things. Elminster? Safe harbor. Oh yeah, is that true? All right, Bitcoin 5270. Trying so hard to break that 618 with just 39 minutes left on this 4-hour candle. Will we be kings? I don't know. I mean, we are kings, right? Are we not kings when we've hit 2 targets of 3? And not even to talk about XRP. Dang, dude, this is nuts. All right. XLM. All right, I don't even know, man. So look at this, dude. Extend it out. Beautiful. So that ascending rotting wedge still going on. I think there's another support of some sort that you're holding. You might have already broken out of it and you're using it as resistance now. I mean, it Doesn't look that great to me, like impulse down. But you know, you're uptrending right now, which is great. But after a high to a low, it's a 70% retrace. Dumpage. Okay. Weird price. All right, we got to go 10 minutes. This is daily time scale. Here's the 10-minute for you. No way, dude. There's got to be like X, A, B, C, D. Looks like a, I don't know, man. Only way it would be is a crab because the retrace is too shallow for anything else. I don't believe you can't have a. You'd have to have a 62% retrace for it to be a Gartley. So that's weird. Maybe we go to XLM to BTC where there's maybe more like liquidity. 10-minute chart. Oh, here we go, baby. Nice chart here. Ooh. Was that a rising wedge? Maybe not. All right, so just on your 10-minute chart for Montana, dude. Oops, sorry. High to low. Oh, we have hit and touched with that wick right there. The 62% retrace on the dot. That's beautiful, dude. I don't know, man. Lots of chop here. Hey, beautiful Momo shift, right? The lows, the lower lows, the lowest low. But look at this right here, dude. Dude, Rob R, man, are you kidding me? Dude, thanks so much for the Ninja Guinea, dude. Holy crap, man. I thought D-Live was dead, man. Dude, thanks for the 30 people on D-Live or whatever. Dude, thank you again, Rob R, for that Ninja Guinea, man. Dude, Rob, man. It was my pleasure. Wow, that's awesome. Now check out D-Live if you want. It's just a different new platform. Uses crypto instead of bits for tipping and stuff. And thanks for the 242 people tuned in right now. We're just looking at Montana's 10-minute chart, and it's just like I think when we're in these situations, it's really nice to just sit back and appreciate the technical analysis on shorter time scales. Okay, the way price action works with the lows, the lower lows, the lower low, then the lowest low, and then all of a sudden, what happened? The higher low than the previous low, the higher low, the momentum shifted beautifully. But the issue is, it's like, where is the neckline? I mean, like, dude, it's like you had one neckline, one part of the neckline. Here's another one. It's like, I don't know, dude. Pattern, channel? Looks like a channel at this point. Honestly, I don't even know, man. Okay, it was like you had overhead resistance right here. You tried to break it, but you couldn't because that's overhead resistance right after that. I mean, but dude, it's like so much chop. Dude, I don't know, man. Montana, you're getting me, dude. Here, how about we do this? We zoomed out a little bit. Even though I know you probably wanted me to stay zoomed in. Dude, I don't know. Like that. Heartline, heartline, heartline. You run up, you sold off, heartline, resistance, dumped again, whatever. I don't know because of the wicks and the craziness. I mean, it just looks like a Momo shift, inverse head and shoulders of some scrubby sort with a weird neckline. Overhead resistance was at 22.44, but like look left, you got all this resistance here. You're breaking through it now. And I just know from high to low, it's 60% retrace. I don't know, man. It sucks. It's not that good. All right. Look, we could zoom out even more if we wanted, right? Whoa, even more data. I don't know, man. You're stumping me. Okay. Okay, look. Don't care. Did the XRP to US dollar 10-minute chart, and it worked out the next day. Literally the next day. So, whatever. C and D, huh? Yeah, dude. I get what you're saying. A higher low, double bottom. But on Syndicator, it was really it was a symmetrical triangle that really turned into an ascending triangle. Dang, man. Y'all, you realize like my day stream just published. Dude, YouTube is crazy. Like, my videos don't even process until I go live again. Hey, dude, we just hit 6,200 subs on YouTube. Thanks so much for y'all, for that, whoever that was. Dude, hey, dude. Oh, by the way, if you're enjoying this live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Oh my God. Man, that's how we get, I get more exposure. Whatever. Here we go, man. This one looked so similar to VeChain before it did things. Alright. Hey, it was beautiful. It was beautiful. Bounced off that 200-day moving average and how we're rallying. We were up like 12% yesterday. But again, the big resistance, the extreme resistance is at 464 sats. You're fine on the RSI. You got 55. You got plenty of room to run. But dude, we need to make a higher high sooner rather than later. Look at your momentums now. Bearish convergence. Okay, where you have a high on price, a lower high on price, lower levels of positive momentum. Not good. Same thing in the RSI. So just one needs to be patient. If I know there was an entry down here, right? So patience at this point. We don't worry about it. It's a daily time scale right here. Whatever it wants to do, let it do its thing, man. Let it chop around. It'll take time, but eventually, what we would expect is 1, 2, 3 times there's been this huge sell wall, and we know the psychology of the ascending triangle. Once all these sell orders are filled, there may not be any more supply at this price. There might only be supply of C and D at 500 plus sats. Measure move, 733 sats. Golden zone from your major discernible swing high to low. Low. Between 626 and 891. That lines up perfectly. You're just in the middle of the golden zone on that measure move. And hey, dude, I mean, do we really need to just bring up VeChain and like put it side by freaking side so you can see it? Hold on a second, it's loading.
VeChain doing things.
I mean, dude, I don't know how else I can show you besides looking at a perfect example of something that's already played out. A trade set up, Bradford, that played out. Beautiful. I mean, like, that's it. All right. You have it 1 and 2. The third time was a charm. You busted through and then ran up and never saw prices really on candle closes above that measure move. It was glorious. And then we came down and back tested.
Crypto Kai, the RSI mayor of Greenbow, Alabama. Thanks for your work. Like the short videos. Could you look at Wabi? Thanks G. 100 likes in honor of Psy Girl.
Is that a joint?
Come on with the longer time frames for the 1 not 10 minutes charts, Kangs.
Dude, oh my God. Did that emoji ball just fly out of the jar? How did that happen, dude? I mean, I don't think I've ever seen an emoji fly out of the jar like that, unless, you know, it's like way higher. That's crazy, man. Sorry about that. Rest in peace, emoji ball. Thanks, Billy, man. Thanks, Montana, for the back-to-back contributions. Y'all are kanks. So, let me just make sure I got this. Ben Sedino says, I'm still new here, about 2 weeks. Great content. Thank you, Ben, man, for the super chat, dude. Super kangish of you. Mickey Dolans, I don't know. I just read Billy. You know, these short videos, I could share a Wabi Connect. And then Montana says, come on with the longer time frames for the win. Not 10-minute chart kangs. We're going to be chart kangs. We're going to do it, man. What's up, Rabbit Duck? Thanks, man. Ice cream. Oh my God, is the music too loud? Someone let me know. Whatever happened to salt, who cares? What does that mean? Dude. question should be like, whatever happened to Wabi? Oh my god, man. Okay, you get this here, you get this. C and D connect, VeChain connect doing things. Alright? It's like identical, but it's like you're looking into the future, the potential future. Things that were, things that are, things that have yet come to pass. Wabi Connect. Here we go, man. Alright, first things first. Look at this pivot. High to low. We have retraced so far. Okay, 50% of the way. A little double top of some sort. Ooh, we might have ourselves some Gartley if we use the... I don't know, man. Jeez. It's like you look at a channel and you broke out and now you're back in it. Like, that's what a lot of these have been doing. They're just like freaking out. But it's good though. It's good. Hey, Charles Dow would be happy about this. 50% retrace, candle closes, and wicks and all that. So I don't know, man. We could just plot it and give it a shot, right? Where am I at, dude? Where's my tool? Okay, sorry. I need to do the. See, it's like, oh my god, great, man, great. Just bust out. Bust out. Do we have any kind of formal structure? I don't really. I mean, maybe a flag of some sort, but let's see. X would be like X to A to B to C to D maybe, but I don't even want to mess with it. It's terrible, dude. Why are you asking me about Wabi Connect, dude? Whatever happened to Wabi Connect? It did a 50% retrace with upsloping consolidation. And has since dumped twice with a lower high with bearish convergence and bearishly engulfed and completely confirmed how terrible we were and how we could not find any more demand at higher prices. A lower high, especially the wicks up here, man, that's like a double top. Real bad. All right. And that rejection wick right there. Ooh, set the tone for destruction. Hey, Deus, thanks for the diamond, dude, on the... over there on the D Live, man. Thanks, dude. Thanks for the second diamond. 2 diamonds, dude. Are you serious? Thanks, man. Kangage. Hey, from my Patreon, dude. Welcome back, man. Thanks for the $5 contribution. That's a beer mug and a smiley face. Thanks for the smiley face. Okay, man. Much love. Thanks for your service. Y'all are amazing. Okay, so this crap, man, I don't know. I don't want to mess with Wabi. Like, hey, just get it off my watch list. Okay. Like, it did its thing. It's over. Okay? Any kind of Momo shift, whatever, it's long since passed. Okay? Oh, yeah, man. Anchor point 1 and 2 and 3. Look, you could add it like this, where you broke it down, sloping resistance. Okay, and there you go. There were probably ways to interpret it, but I'm sorry. I've got, we've got a lot of S coins to look at, and Wabi just is, ugh. Gross. Dang, man, another one of these? Well, just looking at MCO for Deus. Letting it slide, Deus. Alright. Okay, so previous discernible swing high to low. Dude, we are dumpster diving tonight. 382, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dude, like 7 touches on wicks on the 382. Ascending, broadening wedge. And it looks like you're just legging up inside of it. Like, Wow. Okay, so maybe just a crazy channel. Crazy looking channel. But if we broke that, we'd know there is an upsloping support there. So let me replot this. Interesting. Wow. Hey, Mr. Age 8 Productions, thanks for $2, man. On Super Chat. Pretty nice right there. Don't know how long this is gonna last. That's pretty super steep support. But we know we've hit the golden zone. We could keep marching, but you better get above 908 sats this time. after pivoting off that seems to be the trend line, bottom part of the channel. Better do it. Positive momentum is building. Oh, look at that bearish divergence for the dump, for the pivot. Dude, there's no, like, I mean, what do you want me to do here, dude? It's like, you hit a support, you found a higher low, and you're running again, and it's not much. That's it, dude. I wish there was more I could talk about, dude. Your golden zone, here you go. Your projected targets before dumping again, before being a peasant again. Between where we've already hit 7 times and 1153, okay, or 1155, whatever, right there. That's the golden zone. That's where we would expect to sell off. Okay. Now think about it, like high to low, we have the golden zone. Before that, though, we haven't had many opportunities, dude. It's terrible. Look, it's like clear. You broke some sort of downswing resistance, right? All right, there's one wick there, another wick. You broke it. You actually back tested it. So, hey, man, Momo shift, possibly. Sure. Ooh, am I crazy here? Somewhat crazy. A little bit wedgy. Okay. Well, if that's the case, then you would fib. I mean, this is, I'm sorry, this is the previous discernible swing high. I'm not changing that. We're going to be conservative here. And so 1031, 1153 as the highest high that I could expect us going if we were to get there. Good luck, dude. MCO. Wow. Dude, low liquidity S coins are not easy, okay? They're not as easy. Ugh. Crap. Yeah, I know, 1G Project, man. It's like a... It's definitely like... We're on season 7 of Game of Coins, dude. We have an antagonist. There's always an antagonist. And this time it is a... More and more... And this antagonist was in, I think, season 5 of Game of Coins, right? The computer problems. It's back, dude.
Fireworks for Cygirl.
Oh crap.
Could you look at hoax? 100 like Smith's chimes for the 333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333333.
Oh my god, we did it, man. We did it. We were gonna be kings. Okay, double bottom, measure move hit, it's over. Pumped and dumped from your high to low. You hit a 50% retrace and closed in reverse, and here you are back to being a peasant, back below critical support, which has now been used as resistance a multitude of times. How pathetic. You keep this crappy price action up, you're going to see yourself right back down at 2,000 sats. There you go. There's your OAX Connect. Same analysis because nothing's changed, dude. Okay, nothing at all. It's not getting frustrated, days. It's just like, dude, this kind of stuff, man. It happens for the most part only on low liquidity S coins where barely anyone's trading it. So it's not about getting frustrated. It's just more like, geez, this is an ugly chart. That's all it is, Days. Don't take it personal, man. Yeah, Bat's picking up, Todd. Heck yeah, man. Is Dash emerging out of a falling wedge? Art of JR? Well, we analyzed it in the day stream. That we did. I was almost reluctant. I was kind of reluctant, but I'm like, dang, dude, we're like in a short-term uptrend right now. Gotta respect the trend, at least while it's happening. Okay. I guess we can go to Dash, whatever, dude. Sorry, that's it, John Watton. Okay. For your Aux Connect. Not bad, not a bad start, but dude, you got so much work to do. So much more work to do. Hey, we bullishly engulfed. Awesome. Okay. This is a trade setup. And I got to see more than this. But it's going to take a long time. It's going to take a lot of time. But yeah, Dash, and it's a short-term uptrend, and that uptrend is identified on the chart as the parallel channel that is upsloping, that is white. All right, the higher lows, higher lows, higher lows still. What? Okay. Higher lows where? Critical support multiple times in February of this year, December 2018. Early December 2018 as well. Wow. So just you're at a support. You're at an 88.6% retrace from your previous swing low to high. That was another thing I thought about. And then I had both oscillators showing 4-hour bullish divergence. So you're at a critical support. You're at a critical fib node support. You've got bullish divergence on the MACD, bullish divergence on the RSI. You've got a falling wedge pattern. So you've got 5 coinciding variables right now. Pretty good critical thinking, I do declare. And the wick right here, we're kind of double bottoming. We haven't done much, but hey, this is how it begins. Okay. There's your dash. Wicked out of it. Oh, y'all must be looking like this or something, right? I don't know. I just went with what made the most sense to me. This to me is like, you're saying like that. Yeah, I guess. Sure, you can do that. That's fine. I don't know. I liked all the touch points here. But again, you can just call me crazy, man. Either way, doesn't matter because our fibs set us free from the high point to low point. 25,912 and 26,641 targets up there. All right. But whatever, man. You don't have to look at it the way I look at it. It's cool. Chat's frozen again. Dude, I can't do anything about it. I hate. You see, it's like everything's turned on me. All these stupid freaking third-party apps, all these apps have just completely turned on me and betrayed me. Like, I just do the same thing. I like come here and show up, and I stream multiple times a day. I've been doing it for like a long time, and you think I'm like going in here like changing my settings to this crap? No. Last thing on my mind is like changing settings on this stuff once it is established. It's unreal. Holy crap. So I literally have not engaged with chat at all. I've been busy, right? Y'all been putting me to work on some S coins, dude. Alright. So, I'm sorry. Rest in peace, chat, earlier. I had to just pick a random time. Okay. So, Leroy, Harry Paper. Sir Fishing, Fort Morgan, Alabama. The Kang Man. Fellow Statesman. Be good to Wabi? No! I won't be. Will not be good. Whoa, that's loud. That's not loud. Yep, you're gonna have to Discord link invites. Just get them in chat, man. Mine's like expired. Nah, it's probably mine, dude. 1080 Ti piece of crap. Said not many people. What's up, Brian Griffin, John Cardoza, Ms. Cantomo, Steve Schmitz, welcome. Ed McCracken, what's up? Sharuba, Billy, Morgan Freegan, hello. You need some time to think what it is. Dude, I'm screwed. On my it's like software, so many different variables that are screwing me.
Is that a joint?
Can I get my own emoji ball no matter my tip it's the same? Steven Seagal Plaza.
You want a Steven Seagal emoji ball? Is that what you want, Montana? Yeah, I can get that whipped up for you. Just confirm with me that you truly do want to. But we do have to. It has to be a set tip. There's no other way to do it. It has to be like, you know, $4.22 or something, or whatever you want it to be. Like, you gotta give me an amount that you want to tip, and you gotta give me confirmation on Steven Seagal's face in the jar. Okay. But yeah, I'll do that. No problem, man. No problem. Hot cookies. Oh my god, man. Poor Dash. What's wrong with Dash, dude? Dash looks great, man. I don't understand. Dimitri, well, yeah, sure, but like, you know, for a wedge, it's like the 50% in 618, primary, secondary. Yeah, probably, Morgan. I mean, it seems like dude, it's a working project, okay? That's great, dude. It's something practical that anyone could wrap their mind around. Oh, it's a browser that's decentralized? Oh. Right? Versus like we're doing TA Jeopardy and I'm just doing S coins and just literally copy pasting their like the definition of what their project's about, and it's just like what the is that? No one's gonna wrap their mind around what they're talking about, the way it's articulated. Like, people need simple. Okay, mass adoption requires simplicity, not complexity. Hence why, you know, this type of TA freaks people out, because it's rather complex. It's not your support resistance, no oscillators stuff, okay? Steven Seagal. Who's Steven Seagal? Skyward Man. What's up, Pat? What is that, Beach Life? Is it Steven Seagal? It's not Stugal? What? Wow. Okay, it's Seagal. It's not Steagal. Dude, we don't even have to look at the weekly, Christopher, man. No way. I'm just going to look at the daily. Okay. This is the one that I got an entry on this morning. My limit order, my limit buy filled on Activision at $40. Why'd you pick $40, Ray? Well, because look left. Look left. Potential inverse head and shoulders, slanted inverse head and shoulders, but also it could be articulated as some sort of descending broadening wedge. Hey, what's going on here, Ray? What's going on?
Is that a joint?
That's shitty. I want my emoji to be any tip amount. Okay, quick view of Trash Can XRP 10 minutes chart.
Alright, we'll look at it. Thank, dude. I know it is SE, but unfortunately, it's out of my control. Like, there's just no way that their API can track you and your name for every tip. It's weird. I'll look into it, but I don't think there's anything I can do about that. Thanks, dude. We could call him up, man. We could call him up and raise Cain. XRP's pumping, baby. We're about to go. We're about to go. I mean, I'm sorry. Do y'all not want to see like a potential amazing trade setup on a publicly traded company that makes hundreds of millions of dollars? That's been beaten down since October 1st, 2018 for a long time, dude. Yeah. Yeah. Partial decline right here. Maybe. Yeah, dude. You want to see what Nvidia looks like, dude? You keep this in your freaking mind right now. You know what? Screw that. You don't even have to keep it in your mind. I know XRP's pumping, dude. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Let me in. All right, dude. Am I freaking crazy here, or is this just insane? Why in the world? Sorry, I thought that was in a descending broadening wedge too, which is more like a downsloping channel. All right. So you tell me, dude. You tell me, have I lost my freaking mind? We look at Nvidia on the right, and we look at Activision on the left. It's like CND and V chain, dude. You got your entry, 133. Measure move's been hit. You're at the golden zone now, the 382, 189. Guess what, man? Measure move this pattern's up at 55.71. The golden zone begins at 57.10. Crazy, man. All right. We'll see what happens. $44. Oi. Yeah, I don't care about stocks. Give me my S coin. Give me my MCO. Give me my freaking whatever the other one was. Wabi coin, dude. Give me Wabi coin. Get this Activision $100 million quarterly out of here. All right. Let's go to XRP on the 10-minute chart. Let me in. Should I just change the title of the stream? XRP pumping. Yeah, I'm going to do that real quick. Hold on, and then we'll get to Montana. Let's see. All right. Change it now. Beautiful, baby. Beautiful. From the entry, baby. From the entry. Dude, I hate this new YouTube studio crap. They're beta. White A Snow, thanks for joining, dude. Welcome, man. Okay, sweet. The title's been changed. Well, it's saving. Okay, now it's good. Oh my god, let's go, babe. We're about to hit the 50% retrace, dude. Downsloping resistance. Remember, the downsloping resistance in the 50% retrace is at 34.903 cents Montana, man. I don't think so, Mr. Elixir. Roll Tide. We don't. Yeah, we need it so we can dump it. Yeah, it needs to exist just so we can dump it to negatives. Alright, man. Jeez, man, Montana, do we really even need to change it on the 10-minute chart, dude? I mean... Come on, man. Wabi's a $21 million market cap cryptocurrency, man. What are you talking about? You ran so far away. I'm just going to add an alert so over here, the beep. We can be like we're beeping. It does most. Thank you for the $2 contribution, man. Gang, dude. Do I like to take two? I mean, it has its, you know, I don't know. I never really got into that as much as I got into EA and Activision. Okay.
Can we also look at XRP to BTC? Thank you, Mitch.
Yeah, LPLT. We can look at XRP to BTC real quick. All right, we'll get to the 10-minute chart now. A flock of seagulls, dude. They're golfing, dude. The seagulls are golfing, man. As Ricky would say. Anyway. Okay, 10-minute chart. Here we go, man. Here we go. Montana, man. Looks like a rising wedge or something. Critical mass. We're trying to break it. Holy crap. A rising wedge. The size of Ant-Man. In ant form. Huge impulse, upsloping, consolidation, near the 50% retrace. I just don't know, man, okay? Triple RSI, bearish divergence developing. So we could be asking for a pullback on the 10-minute chart, Montana. Monkey S, dude. Super Monkey S. Dude, it's so scrubby that I have to move my magnified ticker. Wow. Look at this. I have to move it to the left. Just to, oh wait, do I? No, it's just like cut off. I'm not uncropping that. Screw that, dude. Sorry. You're just gonna have to know. It means 10 minute. Okay. All right, let's see what happens. Montana getting overbought on this time scale. Call XRP 589 FOMO. Didn't roll off the tongue very well, man. Yeah, Guy Gamer, we can look at Augur Connect. Sure. Montana, how was this? Are you satisfied that we have developed a rising wedge pattern with some bearish divergence and we very well could break the downside soon? Are you scared? But you're not. You're breaking above it. Oh my God. Hey, dude, it's a 10-minute chart. Don't even talk to me about, oh my God, it's invalid. Dude, TA's fake, man. 10-minute chart. We'll see if we can make session highs. This 10-minute session high is at 34.864 cents. Pull them back, man. Pull them back. Good God. Anyone, Bueller? And does anyone even care about XRP anymore? No. Dude, I wish this saved. Oh, it's saved. Look at this, dude. Dude, look at this. Oh my God, Montana, it all saved, dude. Look. Look here. Listen. Potential inverse head and shoulders. We crapped around a little bit. That's okay. High or low. Kangs. Well, we didn't quite hit that measurement. We were so freaking close, man. On a 10-minute time scale. Pretty good. That's pretty good try. I do declare. Beautiful, dude. So here we are, King of the Jungle. Breaking it again, man. Come on. Let's see what happens if we do this. We can be kings. What are I don't even know the rest of the song. We can be kings. So maybe you have it like that, okay? And you're not using 1 and 2 up here. You're using just 1 and 2, and then 3. Or it's like this, where you haven't even touched the top yet. Okay. Okay, dude. I'm going to make sure this is only visible on the 10-minute chart so we can revisit this and laugh at it later. Okay. All right, we're good. We're good to get out. Whew. All right, Montana. Do you need a cigarette or a cigarillo or some sort of something after that 10-minute analysis, man? Whew. Thanks, Mar. Are you Marklar? I know Marklar, dude.
Is that a joint?
I'd call data calling XRP great shit, yo.
That's right, dude. Hey, man. That's all it, I mean, that's exactly why we're here, right? This stuff, the TA, not the, oh my God, something's happening on the market. Is it because of news? No, it's because of my philosophy of crypto, right? No, dude, it's charts, man. Looking for potential entries on trade setups, potential trade setups, right? Taking our shot. We took our shot, man. I mean, what do you even want, dude? Do we even really need to show it again? Really? I mean, come on, dude. We're gonna. We're freaking gonna, dude. Okay, you see where we are right now. 34.78 cents. Here it is, dude. Here it is. Entry. 31.412 cents. There it was. Clear as day. We were just randomly up here. Nothing was going on. What was happening, man? Oh, dude, XRP's screwed, dude. You just don't get it, man. XRP's dead, man. There it is. Hit the entry perfectly twice. 2 wicks. And then we were gone. Beautiful, man. I hope y'all were able, patrons, or really, because it's not like, I mean, on this one particularly, since it's a big one, like, I definitely, like, showed, like, hey, where the entry would be on the live stream, right? Like, multiple times. Multiple streams. Okay, whatever. 78.6% retrace and the 1272 fib extension from B to C. Again, the 786 from X to C. All right. So it's fantastic, man. We, guess what? Oh, by the way, we got to do this. Look on the 8s. Sponsored by Montana's Butt. Okay. No, sponsored by Montana's 10-minute charts. If you want the best charts, blah, 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 man. Blah, blah. Gross. GNT, BTC. What about it, Zach? What about it? We're going to look at it. We're running. I don't know, man. Are we running? I guess you could call this running. Yeah, because you broke. Once we broke that 382 for real. Pumpy pump. You gotta be so happy about this, though, dude. So is the next resistance the next fib level? Yes, we're at it. We're literally touching it and wicking off of it. I don't know if we have yet. Very, very close. We're about to touch it. That's 34.903 cents. We're about to touch it. And we're touching it. We've literally touched the 50%. Charles Dow will be clapping. He'd be singing Britney Spears. Okay. He's sitting there. Literally sitting on that. You see that green line? That's where we are right now. We're exceeding it now. Wow. Hey, downsloping resistance. Downsloping resistance is upon you next. Your next level of adversity. Dude, straight up poggers right now. Montana men pogs. If we were to hit the 618 while I'm live, I'd be just chugging a beer. Okay? Like, it's... Oh my God. Good money on that. So quick, too. You know, normally swing trading takes a lot longer time for your target stall hit. But dang, dude, we're like almost to our second target, our secondary target. That's beautiful, man. But again, I don't know how we're getting there. How in the world are you getting there with such overwhelming resistance above you, and you're hitting all of it right now? You're just starting to, if you're a hurricane, you're starting to hit a really nice hurricane-proof mansion right now, and you're trying to break down all the bricks, but it's made out of stucco, so there are no bricks, so you can't. So you're like, gosh dang it, hold on, let me try, man. What are we doing? Okay, we're respecting that 50% retrace for now. Very, very nice positive momentum, but hey, we are now officially overbought, sitting at 74. All right, clearly respecting it. Nice. Okay, does that make sense on the 50%? Anyone? Bueller? Oh, yeah. What's up, Daniel Oakenshield? Good to see you, man. Hello, Design Function. Yeah, we got some cool people up in here tonight. Okay, sweet. Oh boy. Downsloping resistance is the monkey ass, dude. Truly is. You're drinking pear tea. I'm drinking green tea. Well, I just finished my green tea. I was drinking it before the stream started. I just needed it. But yeah, very good. Irwin tea. I don't know so much if he really sells it, the tea. But I just had like a request from Irwin Coffee, because it's a nice change up, man. It really, dude, I love it. I love being able to drink coffee in the day and then drink tea at night. And green tea is good. Black tea is awesome. I'm out of black tea, but I'm just drinking all this green tea. Okay. That's for you to love. What's up, Sahara? Yes, Billy. Yes, what? Very good people. Absolutely, dude. Absolutely. What's up, Sanford of Nos? Is that it, dude? Thanks for the $2 super chat. Appreciate it. Yeah, dude. To be expected here. What was that? What just happened? What was the chime before? Oh, Devour Destroy. Thanks for the sub on YouTube. My bad. I thought that was... I just guessed. Hey, dang, dude. Am I going to be a wizard tonight? Or a Viking? Or a Vet Moonboy? How many teas do I have? And I have one. I mean, sometimes I'll make a pot of it. And I'll start early. And I'll drink it. I'll start drinking at like 8 or something. Or 9 my time anyway. So that's like an hour or an hour and a half before stream. So sometimes, but it really, since I started working out more, like I don't drink as much like coffee or tea. I don't know. It just, I don't like need it as much. It's pretty sweet, man. Natural energy. But I eat a lot more. A lot more. Yeah, good chat tonight. Certainly. Okay, so if we want to real quick. Dude, you were just still holding on. Tron, man, is just really, really interesting. Tron to BTC pair. Why is my mic muted? Dang, dude. Sorry. I was saying it would be wise to look at Bitcoin first before Tron Connect, just because. Sorry about that. Liberating contest, yeah. So we've exceeded that second target. I don't even know what y'all heard. So the blue or the teal harmonic you see, it matches with the targets of that trade for the long at the 786. So the 382 has been hit. We've exceeded it. Now we've finally exceeded the 62% retrace at 52.66, and now we're currently sitting around 5,300, whatever. And that third target you can see on the right is at 54.20.
Is that a joint?
You probably can't because of stockholders, right?
Sorry. And it would be spectacular to see us hit that target on 420 in just almost just 2 days now. But anything can happen. All right. So, yeah, man, continuing to rise on Bitcoin, but don't get too euphoric, because this pattern right here you see is the bearish bat pattern, where one would take their entry at the 88% retrace from your swing high of X to swing low of A, of that pattern, which is the orangish, yellowish pattern, okay? And then we could go ahead if you want. No, I can't do it, man. It will get too confusing for people. Like, I mean, I'll obviously, and I know some people will, but like, I can start fibbing from C to the potential D, and then start doing 382, 618, 886 to 100% on the downside, and match the targets with the color of the pattern. Right? So that's it. That was weird. Yes, it was very, very weird. My bad, y'all. I don't even know why I did that. I don't even know how that happened. The rise of the machines, the computer, or something. So, hey man, I'll just tell you this. We had a nice impulse up, and now we're up sloping with our consolidation. Dude, it's almost just like the same thing. I hate to be that guy. I mean, dude, it's just like, look, man. Impulse down sloping consolidation, and then you made a higher low than your previous low, and you started running. Don't you be like that. Don't you be like that inverse, right? Where you hit that 886. You hit that lower high than your previous high, and then you sell off, and then you plummet out, and you start retracing to much better areas where people can find value of accumulating here. 382, 50%, 618, 786 down here. I'm just saying, man, don't be too euphoric. Understand that this is upsloping. This is not the best type of consolidation after an impulse, okay? Just saying, man. Excuse me. Start dancing, yeah, sure. Okay. So anyway, that's a big Bitcoin, dude. Just a reiteration of the announcement. RF Dusty, man, it's been a minute. How you doing? Fantastic.
Gravity approaches.
True dat, Isaac Newton. Gravity approaches. Also, they gonna learn Chinese or something. I think that's what Kills for a Living would say. Thanks, dude, for the TN, the Monero in the jar, dude. So what do y'all think, man? I might leave this one to vote, but I don't really know what I'm gonna do with Super Chat, dude. I don't know if I'm gonna keep Super Chat. Okay. First off, because I have no idea what the emoji ball would be for it that I would get Shaylin to make. And second off, it's like every emoji or every tip is like a different. There's like the same variation. I think you can change that, but dude, that's a lot of work. You know how much it's taken, like literally probably 7 to 8 months to get everything set up perfectly in that jar. And actually I had to recently redo all of it because Stream Elements, of course, right? They just go insane on you. So like, and YouTube takes 30%. YouTube takes 30% of the contribution that you tip me with Super Chat. So like, it's like doubly screwed in that regard. And there's no TTS at all. Crypto Raid!
Hey Mitch, it's my birthday. Just wanna spread the love. Could you look at nano/BTC Plaza? THX, Kings.
Crypto Raid, happy freaking birthday, man! Happy birthday to Crypto Raid. Happy birthday to him. That's all you're getting from me. Thanks, dude. For the 1337, yeah, we'll look at Nano Connect. Heck yeah, man. Everyone, wish Crypto Raid a happy birthday or be destroyed. Okay? There's no outs here. You must do it. Go. That was a lot of confetti. It's going to take a lot to clean that up. Alright. My Roomba is getting tired of all the confetti we're throwing around all the time, man. But we'll get it, dude. Roomba, we'll take care of it, okay? Okay, real quick, we got a Nano. Alright, so a few things going on really, right? So Nano, it found a crazy support down here after a huge, stupid sell-off. We were range bound for a little bit, it seemed like, and then we ran up the upsloping resistance. You broke it briefly before dumping, and then you came in back tested as a resistance, which is good. I mean, it's really bad for a long, but it's good to give confirmation that this is a real resistance that you're respecting again. And so we're just within the parameters of that. We're marching the upside, more and more accumulation, dude. It's like you're almost like legging up again. Wow. Okay, so you got to break above 3,300 sats. So bad,
Mitch, can you look at IOTA/US when you get a chance?
Yeah, dude. Thanks for the bits, dude, on Twitch. Okay, so fibs though, man. If you're gonna do like a major fib, you go from that highest high right there. Hey, Aaron, welcome, dude. From your highest high to your lowest low after the impulse. Yeah, the 382. You did not go any higher than that. The golden zone, you've hit the golden zone, right? So you could expect price action reversal to the downside anywhere from there. So we did. We rejected those prices almost immediately and sold off. But to the extent of how far we go is unknown. And as you can see, we're pivoted and we're trying to break back to the upside. So you've got an upsloping resistance, and you do have a lot of overhead resistance, like at 3,300, right? It's like converging. All these wicks right here converging with the upsloping resistance. Wow. So it's going to be real tough to break. But anyway, you could get between 3506 again to 4333. That would be where you're potentially going to retrace and sell off because the impulse was down, right? But it's, hey, I guess it's nice that you made a higher low than your previous low. But we know these patterns are inherently bearish. The right angled and ascending broadening formations is what they're called. They're most time not bullish. Okay.
Gross.
All right, IOTA, man. Hello? What was it doing? Sorry. Okay, man. Well, it's like you had a down sloping structure and you broke it. Right? Momentum shift. You can see 1, 2, 3, and 1 on the bottom. And so once we broke it, we back tested as support, and now we're just slightly upsloping. Okay. What are you going to do with this? Nothing. You're not going to do anything with that. You asked about tether pair, so I'm looking at tether pair for you, okay? It was like a cipher or something. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God, dude. Holy crap. Yeah, man. It was like a really nice looking little cipher that sets you up here. All right, X, A, B, C, and then D. Hold on. Well, if we use the wicks anyway. See, I like the candle close because the wick makes it stupid. All right. So there it was, man. Dang, dude, I can't. Let me in. All right. So nice little cipher there. From your high point to your low point. We've now hit the third target roughly. Finally. You've finally done it, man. All right. First target. Dang, dude, you hit that second target real quick, man. Dude, like real quick. Third target. Between the 886 and the 100%. Okay. So there you go, man. That's literally it. Is that it? Nice. Yeah. What? Dude. Sorry. Dude. Okay. There you go, dudes. There you go. Trade complete. You've done it, IOTA Potatoes, man. You have you've won the ball game. Congratulations on all your success. Big round of applause for IOTA to the US dollar. You saved the world, dude. Congrats. Okay, are we good? Are we cool, dude? I think we're cool. I mean, whatever, man. Same thing, same thing. Same way you do it all the time. Over and over and over again. Quack alert. I didn't hear you. I've heard one quack tonight, all right? XRP is not pumping. David Joseph, man. Are you kidding me, dude? Did you not see the trade setup? The entry. We hit it and bounced and became kings. Volume. Let's go back to XRP. Since that's now the new thing. Oh yeah. See, hit that 50% retrace, man, and we wicked off of it, right? To be expected. Nice Billy, man. That's awesome, dude. Well, you shouldn't have completely exited. One would have not wanted to exit completely. One would have taken some profit at the 382, but not all, because there's 3 targets. What's up, Box Mining, man? Well, I think about Bitcoin Cash to SV. It's very interesting, man. It's like anthropological aspect of crypto that we're seeing with Craig Wright, right? Him playing God of crypto almost, and it blowing up in his face. Box mining, right? So them getting delisted from all major exchanges is just kind of poetic, right? Because he's been toxic, and no one stopped him. No one has stood up to him till CZ, right? So I think that's pretty cool. It's a social boundary that people, and he's been pretty much put on public display, right? Like a, not to be weird, but like a public lynching like they used to do in the old days. So that would give example for other people to not be so stupid and asinine, right? But they should be doing the same thing they're doing with Craig Wright, with others in the crypto space, right? He's just the first. Well, not really the first, but I don't know, man. It's just very interesting anthropologically. Okay. What do you think about it, Box Mining Man? Welcome. Check out Box Mining's channel if you haven't. He's a cool guy. Got cool things to say about cryptos. All right. Box Mining, no space. What's up, DJ Joe Public and J Togs? Oh, Gollum coin? No, I don't think so, dude. Dude, that's hilarious. Gollum coin to the moon? I'm sorry, what? What are you talking about, dude? I posted a picture of Gollum coin earlier in the Discord with actually Gollum on it. Okay. CZ says one word, BNB coin rises. Did I forget Tron? My bad, dude. Sorry, a lot of stuff going on. Here you go, dude. Tron. Tron is from the low to high, still at the 62% retrace. It just can't break it. You can't break it, and you still are diverging on the RSI somewhat, and not really, man. You doing it here? Yeah, you're still, if that is horizontal, you're still showing just a little bit of divergence. But dude, that's almost not. That's like class C-ish bullish divergence. But the RSI, pretty decent. Still making higher levels of relative strength on slightly lower prices. Wow. But the problem is on the daily, dude, you just, like your previous daily close that we had about, I don't know, like 4 or 5 hours ago, we closed below the 200-day moving average. Yes, for the first time since December 21st, we had broken above it, right? So we have been above the 200-day moving average since December 21st, 2018 until yesterday, or really today. No bueno, man. Not good. But the 618 is right here. 506 sats. You're not falling with 1 touch, 2 touch. You better hold, man, or you're screwed. You better hold the support looking left. But you got some coinciding variables here, but a pattern isn't one of them, I don't believe. It doesn't really look like a pattern. Much of one. It's just a bunch of weird chop, man. Channel, like, false breaking out and stuff, dude. Ugh. Okay, so that's it. At these levels, this is the bottom of the golden zone. Bottom of the golden zone. So this is like the last common fib node where you would expect to see a reversal in price action, since the initial impulse was bullish, it was positive. You retrace 60% of the way, the golden retrace, you start developing divergence, and then you break to the upside. And then from a high to low, you then look for a 382 to 62% retrace. Oh my God. So crazy. Hey, DeLove, man. Yeah, dude. Thank you for the Dash tip from earlier. The 7% of a Dash. Thanks, man. Yeah, I forgot about that. It did come through, though. It's awesome. Really appreciate the crypto tip. There you go. Okay, Golem Connect. It was trying to break out and didn't, but you're approaching a very critical support. You better not fall below that, man. But look where we are. A lot of monkey ass going on. High or low would be great. All right, so this is the lower risk entry for a position on GNT. It really is. I mean, it's like there's just one would set their stops up and then forget about it. I don't care about the flash crash. All right, so anything below that 14 or that 1550 sat area, be careful. Look out below, because if you do break that, then you would just go from a low to a high, and your fib extensions are going to be 1272 to the 1618 down here. Okay, they're the next targets for the lower prices. Mr. Sid Vicious, welcome, dude. Thanks, man. Are we still doing a retrace to 4100 in the next week or two? Well, I mean, like, sorry, contact just messed up. I feel like once we hit the 886, if we could, or the 786, we would sell off. I think the consolidation right now is not proper on Bitcoin, and a retrace to those proper fib nodes from the December 15th low to that, what was the high for Bitcoin? That high from April 10th. We'd be looking for a 382 to 618 retrace, which again could put you between 4,200 and 4,600, I believe. Okay, so that could happen in time, especially if we fail to make higher highs. Then what? Then our April 10th high. We need to here, but it's not looking good for that, since we're showing a very good looking potential bearish pattern. All right. So crypto 2 times. What's it? Sorry. What's up, D-Live? How y'all doing? Okay, cool. What's up, Give Life? Welcome. Alright. Yeah, dude. Anyway, so Golem Connect, whatever, dude. Okay, let's go back to... I mean, Bitcoin's selling off a little bit now, so you'd expect all the other ones too. The US dollar pairs. Alright, this one's selling off, right? Yep. Still a little bit. You hit that 50% retrace, and it's being rejected for now. But again, there's 3 hours and 30 minutes left. It says BRB, need to S. TA on vet, please. Sure, man. So again, beautiful. Really hitting the top of that triangle, right? That's what I'm talking about, overwhelming resistance. It's like, I don't know how you're getting the 618. Okay, 50%. Definitely areas where other people around the world will be taking some profit. Probably. Just because of just history. Jeez, man. Alright, Wix and Wix. And Wix. And here we are again. Alright. So we looked at VChain earlier. And so ascending triangle, broke out, measure move hit, targets both hit, were amazing. We love it. It's so cool, dude. But we've since sold off. And of the triangle, we came and back tested. We back tested the area that was once a critical resistance as support, and we had a pretty decent bounce, but the bounce is not turning into anything, really, is it? Not much, but an impulse up, and the consolidation is slightly down slipping. This looks pretty healthy. This actually looks pretty freaking good. It looks like a little, somewhat like a little bull pull bull flag. See what happens. I mean, you've been selling off since April 3rd. Yeah, April 3rd, man. You've been scrubbing out after you hit these targets. So it might be time to break to the upside again, especially after we just rejected the living crap out of this. Well, we rejected lower prices at this critical, so we're using this as support, and now it might be time to run again, because we know for a fact that we have not yet hit the golden zone, which is between 167 sats and 207 sats. So bouncing off this and running again to higher prices in time, it could take till June, man. It really could. Or it could dump and we could get screwed and say, who cares? It was trader's market, right? Because we hit our targets. But we have not hit the larger targets, the common retrace zone, which is the golden zone high to low right here. Got close. We were like 9 sats off. Okay. There's your V-chain, David. Congratulations on going to the bathroom. All right, Phil. There you go, dude. Right. Crazy downtrend. You finally got out, but you continued selling, right? You've been continuing to sell. It's not looking good, man. But you're approaching a critical support again. Maybe we can get a double bottom out of it. Right? Maybe. Okay. Hold on. Wow. Double bottom. Oh, my God. Jeez, that's beautiful. Adam and Adam. All right, so, yep, hey, dude, and the thing is, you had Class B bullish divergence out the yin. Unbelievable, Phil. Very nice. Alvin, welcome, dude. Dude, look at this Class B bullish divergence on a double bottom. That is beautiful, dude. Now, getting above the 20 and the 50 moving average might not be as easy, right? That's nice, man. That's real nice. But it seems like we have a downsloping resistance or channel or something, right? Where does it start? It's like kind of like this, isn't it? Just kind of like that, like 1 and 2. So you got to break 106, man. You got to. But that could be a Momo shift, right? So yeah, a lot of things going on. But this is great. 1, 2, and then 3 coinciding variables. So it sucks you didn't get the best entry because, like, man, if we'd have seen this, we'd been all over that, dude. But you just can't see all the charts, man. You can't scan them all. Can't find them all, right? So great little short-term potential double bottom. It's all potential till it breaks that little neckline. All right. 118 sats is the target of the double bottom fill, okay? Sub introverts united. Dream Surfer. Big one rejected 5300. Yeah, one time. And there's 3 hours and 25 minutes left on this candle. We'll see how it goes. Zach, Monty, how have you not seen this guy before? I definitely lacked marketing. I didn't do it right. I had not been doing it right for a long time. So Kang's Infinite Paradox, thanks, dude, for the $2 super chat with a Kang message, dude. Superior paper, 1-man army. Hello. Oh, dude, I don't know about 3-minute chart, dude. I mean, 10-minute makes me, you can ask Montana, makes me cringe a little bit, but 3-minute, whoa. Low sat S coins can't do patterns on them. Yeah, man. Well, hey, do you say that? But you know what? 106 sats. V chain, dude. 0 average. Thanks for the follow on D-Live. Welcome. That's right. My bad, dude. Sorry. LPLT. Yeah, nice break to the upside. Yep. But I'm sorry. Just like this one here had the bullish divergence, right? It had it here too. We broke the upside only to probably make a lower high than our previous highs. It's just that's what happens, man. That's definitely what happens. You just, in a bear trend, you'll get the divergence and it'll play out, but to the extent of how it plays out, is normally not higher highs. It's normally just a lower high than your previous high, and then you dump again. Okay, this thing's bouncing off of just, oh, is that it? Looks like some support back from August 5th, 2018. Really what happened in the end, unfortunately, is the rising wedge pattern that you developed over the course of a couple months. You broke out of it bearishly, and you have now hit that measured move. And as soon as you hit the measured move right around that area, you've begun to pump a little bit on the bullish divergence on the 4-hour. But again, you will probably now be using these areas as resistance when they at one time were supports, right? Both of these. It's going to be tough to break those on the way up, especially with all this nastiness, the selling that's been going on since December 24th. Wow. So Presto Crypto, thanks for the sub, dude. Where's Montana in the 1 minute charts? Good question, dude. What time do I go till? Oh, I should be wrapping it up soon. I've been live for an hour and 40 minutes now. So normally like around these times. I mean, it just all depends, I guess, every night with market price action and if chat's lit and stuff. It's like chat is the life force of this stream for the most part. Well, it becomes it, especially the later we get into the stream. What was this? LT, sorry if I missed a couple contributions like Tron and this one, but hey, I got them, dude, for both of y'all. Okay, man, just need to like take a step back. We've been going, man. We've been going hard tonight. We've been going hard today. I mean, had that another very efficient stream, and now here we are doing it again. Okay, y'all. Let's just go back to XRP for a minute. I'm gonna read off the contributions.
Is that a joint?
Good evening, Lord Ray. Could you please show your activation chart one more time?
Sure, man. Thanks for the 420, Ryan. Here you go, man.
Man, I friggin' love TA now. Charting becoming entertainment. Get excited when I learn a new pattern and its implications. Thanks for the trip into the great vast deep space of the charts.
It's fun, man. It's a lot of fun. I don't know, and I don't really know why I love it so much, but dude, I do. And I'm glad that you're able to learn with me on the same journey. All right. Awesome, Mr. Cantoma. Thanks, 321, the wholesome contribution, dude. Big, what is it? XRP's crashing? Needling Gonzalez, man, is crashing. All caps, too. Super duper. Whew. Respect the eyelid, Sin City. That's it, dude. Easter stream tomorrow? It's Friday? Hey, Zero Average, man. Thanks for the follow and the diamond, dude. Appreciate that over on DLive. Thanks for the 272 tuned in on YouTube. Please hit that like button, that bell, that sub if you're enjoying the content. So we can get 200 likes, maybe? 200 likes, man? That'd be crazy, man. Dude, if we had 200 likes, I would get a beer. And that would extend the stream, I guess, for a certain amount of time. As long as I had the beer, right? So 200 likes. We'll give it a few minutes. If we can't do it, it's all good. Not a big deal. Just, whatever, man. Okay? Residence. Age 8 Productions. Thanks for the $2 super chat. But he said B&B is right at Residence. It makes the most sense in the world. That's like the most, that makes more sense than anything, because BNB is bed and breakfast coin, and it is at Residence. Yes. A resident of the BNB. How interesting, man. His autocorrect made a lot of sense. Seriously. Okay, so Activision Blizzard, again, Ryan, is the high to low. We've not even really hit the 23% retrace yet, so this may not be it, but low risk. Who in the world out there is shorting or thinks there's value in shorting Activision Blizzard at these prices? Absurdity. A common retrace makes all the sense in the world, especially how we're low, lowest low, kind of double bottoming, running up, higher low, and you actually rejected lower prices today, hit my limit buy, and we bounced. We're up $1 from that entry. And so, if all things can work out, man, this kind of pattern measure moves around $55, $56, 382. Golden zone begins at $57.10. All right. So that's it, dude. Let's go, baby. And I did already show y'all NVIDIA. We put these two together just like VChan and C and D, man. Huh? Comparative analysis? What? Those are nice. Well, there you go. Thanks for the 200 likes, y'all. Wow, that was quick. All right, hold on a sec. Get a beer just for y'all. Hey, guess what, dude? We're getting to a point where we're in serious jeopardy of me wearing one of the three hats. Do you realize this? The tip jar fills up. We have a big straw poll vote on which hat I wear, and then I wear that the rest of the stream. Okay, so Disney projection for the rest of the week, Timothy, dude. Dude, after that kind of move, man. Yeah, dude. And that kind of move, well, you're at the 1618, dude. Okay, so Timothy, here we'll go to it. Look. Symmetrical triangle, you broke out. It was just, you danced around so much. But when it all ended, love that. That was like the 20% correction on the stock market. We rebounded, then we sold off, and then rejected prices below this trend line again. And then we just started up sloping. But then the news came, and look what we're doing with our fib extension. From your high to low, we are literally touching the 1618, dude. Like rejecting it, but bullishly engulfing in no man's land. When you're at, at one time you were at 85 on the RSI, you're still extremely, or about 79 on the daily RSI. That is crazy, man. You're in a new section of the quadrant of the equidistant channel now too, aren't you? Just in no man's land, dude. Taking a position on this crazy, short or long, okay? Right? Just because, like, dude, anything can happen. But, like, again, a 1618 would make you think, hey, profit taking might be a decent idea, just a little bit. Just a little bit. But the amount of volume involved could be some sort of crazy breakaway gap where we sell off. Will we never fill this gap again after the sell off, the pivot, and then run, and then be gone? We start testing up here because we're talking about this. Go to the weekly so you can see what I'm talking about, what this equidistant channel is. Okay. This is it, dude. Heartline support, heartline resistance, anchor point 1 back from 2000. Anchor point 1, okay, sorry, 1 and 2 from April 2009, October 2011, and that other one up here was March of 2000. I chose that because of the heartline. A nice heartline support, okay. You can only choose like one. So it's like if you choose this one here, it doesn't really make as much sense. I guess it kind of does, right? Using that high up there, if you do it like that, the heart line's off a lot, but you're clearly touching 75% trend line of the equidistant channel. Wow. Anyway, I'm going back to, I like that the other way I had it. Okay, heart line. That's why we have these lines. Look, 25% resistance as well. Okay. Disney Connect, Kappa. All right, man. Beautiful. Hey, what's the measured move? What's the measured move? A long way to go, man. Long way to go. Measured move's $144.73. Be right back. I've got water beers. I got one nice beer downstairs, an IPA. I'm gonna go run and get that. I'll be like right back. Okay. Hot will blow my hat off. Oh, okay, you want to see hot? We'll show you what hot in a second. Okay, I'm back. Oh my god. Logan talked about the NVT indicator, and we're at the area where we should sell off, Mr. Sid Vicious. Anyway, with Disney Weekly. Crazy gap up. Could be a breakaway gap. Seriously. Oh my god, B&B. Let's go, baby, let's go. Oh, breaking it. We're breaking the resistance, man. Finally, dude. Finally, we just for 4 days we couldn't break it. Now we're bullishly engulfing. Bullishly marabazooing. Let's go, baby. The 1272 target we've been talking about. Here it is, $21 and 13.85 cents. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Well, not all-time highs. Sorry, close. But the thing is, the whole it's like, why do we sell off here? Remember we said if we held this bullish engulfing candle with a tweezer, double bottom? Here it is, man. Too strong, too much demand. Let's go. Let's go. Beautiful, baby. Been running. We've been Kangs since December 2018, dude. CZ. B&B moon boots, heck yeah. Okay, man, just watching the brilliance of Binance Coin be amazing. Okay. Whoa, holy crap. I want you, Project. Have a good one, dude. Thanks so much for being here, alright? And again, thanks for the 200 likes, y'all. That's like big time. Big deal. Really means a lot. What's everyone talking about all these cookies, man? What do these cookies do, man? To you? I don't really see any kind of divergence, Mr. Vicious, on ADA. Oh, yeah. I mean, look, I'll add their alert. If we hear this beat, man, we're about to be hitting it. This right here making me think that we will hit 21.1385 soon. Very soon. Okay, breaking this after 4 days of consolidating at it and just riding it, very good news. Okay, we will see you at the 1272, the first target. Hot connect. It confirmed broke out on the daily. First target's 34. Second target 37 sats. Falling wedge. Measured move is much higher than those fib targets. Measured moves at 44 sats. Crazy. Crazy to think right now. Beautiful bullish divergence and tail end RSI bullish divergence, right? Beautiful. Love seeing that combo. It's always one or the other. It's like you have bullish divergence that keeps building, but on the tail end you get RSI and other way around, right? Nice. Wait, this channel makes you want all the coins, Kevin? No way, dude, because we talk so much crap about so many S coins that are not setting up for higher prices. No, they're definitely not guaranteed to work. At point D, no, give Moses, of course, and that's why we have stop losses. And the thing is, you can't just have a harmonic by itself. You really want to have a harmonic with coinciding variables, and that's why you need to learn divergence and many other things, okay? Sub issue post. XRP do I have? Well, I don't really talk about my positions, but I definitely have a good amount. Okay. So sorry, y'all. At this point, it's like overtime. Yeah, pretty much overtime. Like I've had a really good stream. I've been live for almost 2 hours now. We hit 200 likes, so I got a beer, a nice IPA beer, and I just want to chill for a minute and enjoy that with y'all. Think about it. Like for me, it's like this is kind of like, you know, like there's like a 9-to-5 job. It's like I'm kind of like towards like at the end of the job, right? Like if this is what I do, like if I'm streaming and stuff every day, content creation and then managing my own accounts and stuff, it's like, hey man, this is like kind of like 5 o'clock for me in a way, right? So Christian, no, I don't think so on XLM. Didn't see any. Javi, we already looked at that. Holy crap, man. Everyone calm down. Okay, introvert United 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. All right. Anyway, hot connect. Been waiting on this and waiting and waiting and waiting. And it finally broke out with the divergence. Dude, it's just so nice, man, when you see the daily do that, and then you go on the 4 hour, and the 4 hours actually showing divergence too, and you're showing supports, man, it's just so much. That's like what you're looking for, dude. That's the key to the city, all right? Twice a day, 6 p.m. Eastern and 11 p.m. Eastern, Zach, Monty, all right? And yes, I know your name's Zach, but everyone with an H on their name would call him Zach. We have a legendary member of this community called Zachary. LBGER. Well, I appreciate your support. Maybe you're having one with me. If not, maybe another time. Midnight Synergy, good to see you. Have you been a viewer for long? I've never seen you chime in on chat, so thank you for saying something. If you're in there and you're a lurker and you've never said anything in chat, and you can hear me right now, say something in chat. Just say something. Just like do like a cookie or a cap a face or something stupid. All right. You don't have to, of course, but it's always nice. Oh no, not this song again. So bad. Sorry, I'm trying to get this. Dude, I can. Sure thing, Mr. Sid Vicious. Thanks again for subbing tonight. Appreciate you, dude. Oh god, real life. Really, man? We gotta do ETC? All these coin requests, man. Coming in. Yeah, I mean, sure. I mean, it's tough, man. 2,000 coin requests, 2,000 cryptos. Only 2 hours. All right. Ethereum Classic Connect. 4 hour bearish divergence right here. Where were we? One and two on the bottom, one on the top. Symmetrical triangle. You broke out, you back tested, and you were gone. Bullish engulfing candle. Break hook and go. Yeah. You hit it, you double topped the tweezers, and you've since sold off. But you're bouncing above the 200-day moving average and the 20-day right now. So after a big selling, I don't see any kind of pattern development yet, but it could change. That's great, though. Great news. You have not golden crossed yet. Oh, God. It's broken again, dude. Wow. So surprised by that. It just keeps breaking, man. I'm going to have to report it. I hate having to report it because you do it on Discord, and it's like always these like volunteer workers who have really neckbeard attitudes that are just very rude and not helpful at all. Normally their fix is, hey, just delete everything and redo it. Like, wow, thanks for the help, dude. No S. All right, I guess I fixed it again temporarily. Thanks for the feedback and let me know, man. Crypto Raw, thanks for the cookie, man. Seeger, I see you, man. DW, thank you for chiming in. Anthony, man. Crypto Gauge. Dark, thanks, man. Steve Johnson says he subbed 2 days ago. Aya Visions, hello, man. Thanks. Iran, I know you. Thanks for lurking. Mr. Scientist, dude. You often lurk from work? Hey, or lurk after work. Ah, nice rhyme, dude. Cody Petit. Midnight Synergy. Okay. Thank y'all for at least saying something, okay? Steve Johnson, thanks, man. Hunter McCod. Welcome, dude. Think all you lurkers out there were saying something, okay? And it's like, I think a lot of people just right there for the first time ever says something in chat, and that's awesome, dude, okay? Tic Tac Crypto says good morning from AMS. Welcome, dude, from AMS. Do we look at VET? Yeah, we looked at VET twice tonight. Coming in on the daily? Probably not, man. Probably not. Just because, dude, there's no discernible real swing high on VET until that September 2018 level. So it's not really, I don't think, coming handle. I think it's just you're retracing and back testing an old ascending triangle, using that as support, which is a really bullish sign because we know there's room to run to the 167 to 207 sat range. That's the golden zone on VeChain. Man. Terry Son, thanks for saying, chiming in, dude. How long you been a sub, dude? Drathicus, thanks, man, on DLive. Dude, we don't give any follows anymore on DLive, dude. DLive's like, yeah, whatever. I think Phil or someone said it. It's a long-term investment, man, okay? Zero Average says, yo, local Loki IPA in hand. Love the work you do. Keep the faith. PCs are a B. I know the pain either way. Kangs rule. That's right. Kangs rule. Thanks for the words of encouragement on DLive, Zero Average. Really appreciate that, man. Did you find me on DLive or are you from YouTube? Let me know if you're still out there. Thanks, Janika. What were we going to do? Okay. Presto. Jeez. So bad. Hold on. Bruh. Making adjustments here. Jesus. Who's that? Bruh. You want to see it? Okay, I'll give it a shot. Electronium Connect to BDC. Okay, dude. You are terrible. Like, you were put on Binance only to get obliterated. Okay? Extremely destroyed. 1618. That is almost correct. Jeez, close enough, man. Very close. bullishly engulfing on a Marabazoo, but the Marabazoo is not really being a Marabazoo. It's more like low liquidity S-coin stuff. Okay, no one's trading this really, so you're gonna get Marabazoos. Marabazoo bullish engulfing combination. Whoa, dude. Sounds like a Dragon Ball Z Kaioken Kamehameha. Alright. Well, make sure this is right. Pinpoint accurate. So 1. Oh, really? 1, 2, 3. Wow, there's another one. So 1 up there, 2, and 3. And then just 1 on the bottom now, and you can see the beautiful amount of support, 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 resistance, 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 resistance. Beautiful down sloping structure. Tons of touches all over that heart line. All right. So now we're approaching the bottom again, and we're approaching from the low to high, a 1618 golden mean ratio, or phi, or phi. I know some sororities call it phi, alpha phi, but then you've got phi like phi mu. Ooh, the phi mu's at Alabama, dude. That's like top tier, top shelf sorority girls, dude. You won't find anything better. Okay, the phi mu's, University of Alabama. Oh my God. Why are we talking about phis and fees right now? Anyway, your phi mu sorority girls at Alabama is at 93 sats, maybe. Showing a little bullish divergence, I guess, on the MACD, but not on the RSI. And we have any pattern development with a 1, 2, 3. Okay, so some triple MACD bullish divergence going on a little bit. Yeah. Do we got a pattern? Yeah, maybe. Maybe we got a pattern. See, it's like if you have a pattern, it's like you were breaking out of it like a peasant, dude. And like, man, it's so bad, dude. It's just, these are ugly patterns. It's like S-coin hunting. Not easy at all. Because I don't even think it's really a formal pattern. It's just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, kind of 6. You're like kind of disregarding it as support, which you might, but okay, that's the case. You got some triple MACD bullish divergence with some price contraction that is down sloping, so that might be bullish. So you might break the upside soon, but it's bearish as F, dude. Say it breaks the upside, it's going to make an extremely lower high than the previous high, and then sell off again to probably make lower lows. Okay, so I'm sorry, Mr. Electronium, to burst your bubble on the TA side, but it's pretty trash. Okay. Anyway, what's this song called? The one that just finished? Oh, I don't know, dude. I don't know, man. Shazam's pretty good. Midnight Synergy says, haven't missed a show for weeks. TA is the only way to play the game. Too many it's going to the moon. Back up the truck. Part with your money now, folks, on some other channels. Well, I figured it'd be most channels, dude. William Battles? Oh, I know Phil does too, man, so let's do this for you, okay?
I like turtles.
There you go, dude. Keep you at bay. You like your turtles and hot? Well, good. Why does this market move like turtles? Just because I don't think it does move like a turtle, dude. I think it's just your perception. Okay, your perception might be off, Christian, or you might be a little impatient. For me, this market moves at just the right speed. It's perfect, man. Perfect for me, man. All right. And every day is almost like Christmas. It's like I wake up, I'm like, how did it go? How did the TA get respected? Was it invalidated? Did it do well? Did it get screwed? How'd it go? Right?
I said, hey, what do you want? He said, about 350. Could you TA Zen? Thanks for all you do.
The Zen Connect. Thanks, VOD, for the tree fitty. Tree fitty. Thanks, dude. Zen Connect. Oh my god, man. Well, we had it charted some kind of way. And it broke its support, and when it broke it hard. And then it back tested too. Dude, this is low liquidity S-coin stuff. Okay, look at this, man. Extend this out. You had like a channel, right? And you broke it, you back tested it as a resistance and the 200 day, and then you sold off again. This is not good. Not very good behavior. I don't see any kind of harmonic at all. I see the lower highs, but the swing lows down here, and there's no retrace. The retrace was not near enough deep, or near deep enough for it to be a valid harmonic. It's like a not even 23%, maybe 23%, but dude, no, not a harmonic. It's just getting destroyed. What do you do with these S coins, man? Look at the wicks. It's just stupid. It's like beautiful 3 black crows turning into 5 crows, 3 or 5 black crows. Jeez. No real. Where are you holding, dude? I guess you're holding support at the candle high close from January 20th, 2019. See what happens when we hit down to this area, which we very well could. Dude, I don't know, man. We got a little bit of bullish divergence, but there's still so much negative momentum, man. There's a ton of it still. If this thing wanted to sell off more, it very well could, okay? I mean, you're at 36 on the RSI, so there's plenty of room to run to the downside to become oversold if you wanted to, okay? Lowest level of RSI we've seen since February 6th of this year, okay? That was down here at the lowest low. All right. So look at like one impulse, 2 impulse, 3 impulse. So 1 impulse, 2 impulse. We don't even know if the second impulse is done yet, okay? So I don't know, man. I wouldn't be touching it. I wouldn't be messing with it. I know we broke out of a downswing structure on Zen that extends back. But there might be another opportunity, man. At an 88% retrace or 78% retrace, but I'd like to see more than what we're seeing now on Zen, okay, dude? Thanks for the 350, dude. I don't know. Like, so many of these were able to call the reversal, but, like, now that they've reversed and they're making these 23% retraces, you're just like, nothing is looking that great yet because not enough time's gone by on the daily. Four hour, I mean, we can give it a shot. I mean, good God. Like, will that hold? Probably not. Is it a channel? Oh, it's like some sort of descending, broadening wedge or something weird, dude. Low on price, lower low. I mean, you're a little bit of divergence on the MACD. Let's look at the fibs. Let's fib it, all right? Oh, and here we go, the fibs, man. The stupid way. Do we use the wick, man? Do we use the wick? Probably not. Probably, and that's the problem, dude. You don't really, you're never going to know. Because when that stuff happens, it's like from your low to high, you're at a 62% retrace. That makes a lot of sense, right? I don't know, man. I don't like messing with these coins that do this stuff, man, all the time, okay? That, like, look, the trend is bearish, right, out the gate. Like, you, look at this, dude. You sold off, you retraced, you dumped again to lower prices. You sold off, you're retracing, you're dumping again. Maybe a double bottom. Maybe we'll see a 78% or 88.6% retrace, okay? I don't know, man. Alabama Alpha Fees. Oh, yeah. Well, Alpha Fees, actually, when I was there, Alpha Fees were like the, and not to be insensitive, but they were notorious for the overweight girls. But that was like, but they started changing. They like gave themselves a complete marketing like makeover or whatever, and they only started accepting really hot girls. And so like they came out with a video that went viral. The Alpha Fees did. You can Google it, and dude, you want to Google it. It was very provocative and very hot. I'm sorry. Like, if you're offended by that, me just discussing that, then, dude, you're easily offended, okay? Because, dude, it was like on Jimmy Kimmel or something like that. This Alabama, University of Alabama Alpha Phi sorority, like, promo the Alpha Phis did, okay? So check it out if you haven't. It's safe for, I don't even know if it's safe for work. I think it is. Whew. It's good though. Sure thing, Presto Crypto. Well, thanks for watching, man. Okay, looking forward to seeing you again and again and again, dude. Okay. This is Zen Connect, dude. Are they Deus? Yeah. Well, it would. I don't think it'd be like any man that would be offended. I think it would just probably be more of a woman in here that would be like not so much offended, just more so probably uncomfortable. And I don't like making people feel uncomfortable, but like, you know, I've got to still be able to like speak. Okay, so what language am I speaking? I am speaking Sputnik. Okay. Gosh dang it. Okay. And yep, 50% retrace, top of the triangle, overwhelming resistance to be expected. A sell-off at these prices makes a lot of sense. So let the one show. Oh, dude, at the time there was that one hot chick when I was there. We were doing swaps. It was one really, really hot girl, and every other girl was not attractive at all. And it was just like, you'd look at this one girl like, oh my God. And then it like started turning into like her, and then like she like cloned herself, and then years went by, and now they're like a good one. They're like really hot. I don't know, like that was like a few years ago, 4 or 5 years ago. Now I don't know. Like, dude, I'm so disconnected from that. You know, I go to campus a few times for football games and stuff like that a year, but like that's it. I don't like go to T-Town other than that. Mr. Elixir, that's what they call cleat chasers. And believe it or not, man, the way the culture is Greek life, they are really not into it. They're more into old row at Alabama. There's old row fraternities and sororities and new row. And new row get crapped on by old row. And old row think they're larger than life, which is, I understand, because the history and tradition behind it and all that. They're part of, there's something called the Machine at the University of Alabama. It's like there's a lot of culture stuff when it comes to the Greek life. You know, it's the largest, it's got the highest population of Greek people, meaning like sorority fraternity is 24% plus of the population, or of the enrolled student body is Greek, meaning it's the largest Greek percentage of any college in the country. So it's very cult-like at Alabama. And when you talk about old row and new row, old row runs the show. And it's like a bunch of rich money that's been going. Dude, University of Alabama has been around since 1831. So these sororities and fraternities have been around for a very long time, and lots of money's behind it. Okay, so anyway, what are we talking about? Stuff, yeah. What? All for free. I like the tri-delts. If at first you don't succeed, tri-delts. Get wrecked. Get wrecked. There's also alpha, or AD Pi and AO Pi, and AD Pi was Alabama Dog Pound. My God. Sean, yes. Born and raised. What about you, dude? Midnight Synergy, speaking Sputnik. Hello, Yuri. Gagarin. Dude, is that the guy who was the KGB defector, man? That guy was lit, dude. Oh my God, Timothy, no! Bitcoin is not really climbing. Bitcoin is just kind of stalling a little bit. What's up, GXRP, man? Thanks to the crazy psychedelic frog, man. Kangs. That's funny, though. Clyzax. Alabama Alpha Phi here in Nippon. Are they really? Nippon, what are you talking about, dude? Beham. I live in Beham, Sean, dude. I live in Beham. That's where I was born and raised. Oak Mountain, dude. What about you? What's up, Adam Powers? Dude, Napalm, what you talking about, dude? University United, Mississippi here, dude. Heck yeah, dude. Neighbor to the west, dude. Crazy, man. I don't know, man. I'm just finishing up my beer. Dude, it's crazy, man. We got so close to the jar being full. You know, the jar gets full, I'll wear wizard hat, Viking hat, or that Moonboy hat. But, dude, we're like 88% of the way. The jar has been fibbed 88%. And, man, you get this close, it's just like, dang. It's disappointing. BNB to USD, talking about it, dude. It's coming, dude. It's coming. 21. 21.13.85. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Big green candle. Bullish and gold vein. Let's go. We've been talking about this for weeks, man. For weeks. 1272 target. Let's go. The 1272 fib extension from your previous swing high to swing low. Here it is. About to touch it, man. Come on. Let's go. Gardendale. Now south side. Oh, yeah, dudes. How old are you, Sean, man? How old are you, dude? All right. Hunter, I hate to be abrasive, all right, whatever the word would be. I'm about to celebrate. I'm about to celebrate, dude. 127. Come on, dude. Come on. Hit it. Hit that target, baby. Come on. It wants it so bad. It's so close, man. Anyway, prediction by the end of the year. That's a... Dude, you don't want people's opinions on things. End of the year predictions, dude. You just don't want to, dude. Because those people don't know. I don't know. And I'm not going to try to guess. Okay, 37, dude. All right, dude. Well, amen. You want to hang out, dude? Get a beer. I live out in the suburbs. It's really boring. Really, really boring. And inconvenient to go anywhere. But, you know, everyone I know is like married with kids or they don't live here anymore. So, holla. Adam, I have not, dude. Oh, just saying that nothing like Alabama Alpha Feed here in Japan. Very saucy video. Yeah, Nippon Cowboy, dude. Yeah. Oh my god. Dude, I want to go to Japan. Nippon, dude, if I come to Japan, dude, are you going to be my tour guide? Let me know, dude. Okay? Because I definitely want to go to Japan. For sure. In this journey. So we might have hit the 1 through 72. My fibs might have been off. If we're getting this pinpoint accurate. Yeah, see, they're off just a little bit. Let's see if I can adjust these perfectly. Touched. Okay, pinpoint accurate on the fibs. Let's see if that did anything. Probably not. Maybe. Oh my god, look what it did, dude. Oh my god, we touched it. Get that score to holy crap, man. Wow.
How about a voice from TA with Mitrate Pass? Keep up the good work, my friend.
Crypto sourdough, man. Coming in to be the king, man. Dude, crypto sourdough. Where you been, dude? I missed you, man. Dude, like, you were like the first person to ever tip me $100. Ever. Before anybody. I'll never forget, man. HOC member. I think it might have been a Viking night or something. I don't remember really, but I just remember you. Cheers, dude. Thanks to the big 5-0. Holy crap. And we're just looking at BNB. Hitting that 1272 after the adjustments. It's like a 2111 is that fib extension. That's beautiful, dude. Freaking beautiful, baby. You enjoying this crypto sourdough, man? BNB Connect. what is it? Not married, no kids. Come to Blueprint on 3rd, where you run the place and have a beer. And you, Blueprint on 3rd. Sean Watson, hold on. Blueprint on 3rd. Is that a restaurant or something? Or a bar? See, I've been out of that game for a while, man. I used to like sell media and stuff. Dang, dude. You run the place? Dude, what? How new is this place? Dude, this place looks lit. Dude, that's awesome, man. This is it. Is this it, dude? Is this it? Blueprint on 3rd? That's awesome, man. Dude, join our Discord, man. I'll give you my number, man. Okay. Nice boy. Yeah, dude, I saw that. That's how long, what's the 10 months, dude. That's freaking awesome, man. Very cool. Yeah, join our Discord. Can someone post the link in the Discord link in the chat? Unless you just email me. I don't know, man. Like, probably best to join the Discord. But wow, man. That's really cool, dude. Dude, this could be the way into the social life. You know, whatever. Dude, I don't have like, okay, Sean, when did you find me? When did you find me? How long have you been watching this stream? This is cool, man. Small world amazingness. Okay. You've been lurking, not trading much crypto sourdough, man? It's all good, dude. Well, really appreciate you. Hopefully you got it on something, man. That bullish Gartley or something. Kings in the Empire of the Sun. Oh, what was that? Oh, sorry. Toshi Blue says, if I ever go to Alabama, I'll be going to Blueprint on 3rd. Heck yeah, dude. Me too, man. Oh, wait. I'll definitely be going to Blueprint on 3rd. It looks awesome. Mr. Elixir, what you talking about, dude? You'll be there before long. Be where? At Blueprint? Oh, my bad. I was just saying, like, how long you been watching, man? When did you discover this stream? Did y'all realize, like, I'll be wearing a wizard hat? We could be wearing a wizard hat. Hold on. Other so? And you never knew I was from Bama? I guess not. I mean, I don't really talk about it that much. Not too much anyway. So, bet hit 3.36 cents on US dollar. Heck yeah, Kevin, man. Oh, you got to wrap up work in Augusta. And then you'll be back in Beham? Or where? Shelly upgrade on Cardano is not really doing anything, Casey. Hot chicks, chill restaurants, nice vibe, not expensive. Hold on, let me see here. Did you make it into Discord yet? Never knew. Wow, hey, you know this Oak Mountain Eagles jersey, Alabama Crimson Tide jersey, dude. All right, can't tell the blue lights. Johnny Prophet says, I'd be trying to take the girl with the dog to Blueprint on 3rd. There you go, Johnny, man. You're only about 3,000 miles away, dude. It's a little off, right? Giant Bama logo. It's not the Script A, dude. It's the Script R. It's the Script R, dude. It's a knockoff, but dude, it's a brilliant knockoff. There he is, Sean Watson. Sweet dude. How do I do this? Where are my options, dude? Hold on. Alright, switch you up my number, dude. You'll come through Birmingham, but where do you live though, dude? Mr. Elixir? Like what city? Oh my god, it's Alex Cobb, man, the king. Dude, yeah. It pumped, but dude, look at BNB hitting the 1272, man. The target, man. The target. The fib extension. The major fib extension from the previous high to low. We've hit it, man. Beautiful. Yeah, XRP though, dude. XRP Connect. In a good way, right? Yeah, we'll go back to XRP, dude. Alright, it's the topic of the stream. But Cobb, man, Kang, dude, how insane was this? I tried sending you the trade setup in your stream. It's so crazy, man. So crazy. Not, but it is. Okay, Mobile, I got you, dude. Awesome, dude. I'll add you right now, or I'll just save you my phone. Sean, man. Dude, so like, are you like the GM, or are you like literally the owner and entrepreneur? Because like that's crazy, man. Sweet. Okay, I just texted you Kangs. Alright. Highest energy of the highest energy part of the day, whatever. Time of the day for you, Alex Cobbman, Kang, dude. Dev, what you talking about, dude? Slight ownership, certified. Hold on. I'm going to Google something.
Sommelier.
A wine steward. Holy crap. Sommelier. Is it the sommelier? Is that what you are, dude? That's awesome, dude. Very, very freaking cool, man. I've got like a lunch meeting tomorrow, but with like my people from my old world, right? The people from like back when I was in sales, okay? Dang, man. Yeah, dude, we'll figure something out. Top is the Kang, man. That's right, dude. ACHV, Aaron, I don't know, man. I don't think much of it at all, dude. But look, y'all, I think what's up, Ryan? What could happen? How high could we go? I don't know, man. Like, we could go probably pretty high. I mean, you're trying to look at like major fibs and stuff. What I would do if we really broke out is I would start fibbing from highs to different highs to the same low and get confluence and look for confluence zones. That's probably what I would do if we broke out for real. But for now, I'm more worried about like the trade setup, like the trade setup I'm in, and I know others are in, and you know, our first target's hit. We're well on our way to the second target, but man, we can't get to the second target without breaking out of the triangle, the huge triangle. We just can't do it, man. Wow. So good luck. I think I even mentioned that in one of the videos. Like, dude, I just don't know, man. How do we do it? How do we get to that 35.720 cent range if there's so much overwhelming resistance above us? I didn't really go into it much more than that because it's going to be tough. And here you are, respecting the 50% retrace and that downsloping resistance. Okay. Not going to be easy. Can blind taste wine. Tell you everything about it. Jeez. I could blind taste wine and get drunk and tell you about it. Okay. not the wine. Yeah, 589. There you go. Ridiculous, man. Well, dude, I'm looking forward. This is awesome, man. That's like the highlight, I guess, right there. Dude, just like meeting someone in Birmingham. That's crazy, dude. Who's like a partial owner and runs an awesome looking restaurant. That's gonna be a real fun experience. Okay. Wow. It's so rare, dude. It's like so rare. Okay. Very, very cool. Okay, let's see here. Okay. Dude, y'all, the stream's been incredibly entertaining. Fun on both sides, right? Small world, we love the stream. Coolest people with good info. Thanks, man. Well, dude, that's all I try to do, man. I've been doing this going on 15 months, dude. I think I looked at on the stock market a little bit. Had some cash, like whatever, like a good safety net. After I got hooked up with some people, and they said I should just stream it. I started streaming it. It was a team, and that was it, man. It just started. It worked. It didn't take long until I was able to invest in a $1,600 PC that lasted me for the rest of the year. And now I've reinvested again into pretty much like an $8,000 computer. It's like a custom built PC that has its own insurance policy on it. So it's just like, this community is incredible, man. Like, they've given me the power to do anything, and like, I really appreciate what they've given me, and I've tried to give so much back to this community. So, Sean, man, well, we can talk about it, dude. Like, here, I texted you Kangs, but like, just hit me back up, man. If you want to do something this week or something, or this weekend, just hit me up, and we can go from there. And I know I'll see you on stream and stuff. So thanks so much, y'all, for the contributions, the love, support, the likes, the dislikes, the new subs, everything across. All right. So I will be back tomorrow. Gonna be live for 2 hours and 33 minutes. Till next time. Respect the TA. That boy is good.
Adios, turd nuggets.